Hello everybody, welcome back. Harley in. Today I am going to install a new set of slip-ons on my 2017 Harley Road King Special. This bike is completely factory stock except for a K&N air filter. As you can see, it's the original air box. It's just a K&N air filter on the inside. This bike has about 1,100 miles on it. So I'm going to start it off so you can hear what it sounds like. I'm going to install a set of Cobra Neighbor Hater slip-ons. Also, I should mention this bike is cold. It has not been started in probably 3 days. So I literally rolled it out of the trailer I keep it in, and I'm going to start it up for the first time here. Alright, this isn't really a how-to, but I'll go ahead and just keep the video running. So we're going to take the bags off, and then we're going to start on the right muffler, and then we'll do the left, and go from there. So let me go ahead and get started. Alright, and that does it for the removal. The left side came off a lot easier than the right side. As you see, I just kind of left all the hardware and everything where it is, so I know exactly how to put it back on. So let me get the new ones out the box, and let's get them fitted up. Alright, so this wasn't meant to be an unboxing, but I just want to show you something here. This is what you get in the box. The mufflers are extremely well wrapped. You get a sticker, limited lifetime warranty. Cobra has a lifetime warranty even on discoloration. So if it turns color, if you get the black or chrome, they'll cover that for free for lifetime as long as you have your receipt. Instructions, and then a registration to register your warranty online. So super well manufactured. They don't look like there's a difference between left and right here. Okay, so I take that back. As you can see, this one here has this dimple, and then of course the Cobra logo. So this is going to be the right, because you want this logo here to be facing out, and then the other one will be to the left. Now, why I bought these particular mufflers were, I love the black, but I really like the end. I thought that was just sweet. And as you can see straight through. But I really like the double kind of bell here. I just thought that looked really neat. And the chrome just getting a little bit of flash on the rear end. Okay, for me, this left slip-on does not have the word Cobra on it, just as a note. Also, as you can see right here, this heat shield is hitting this muffler. So I think what I'm going to do is loosen this clamp here and just slide this back so I can get a little more clearance, because I feel like this left slip-on needs to come back a little bit. And then once I get the left one on, I'm going to line the left and the right up. Alright, so I got them all lined up. Let me go ahead and get cleaned up and we'll get it started so you can hear what it sounds like. Alright, so I didn't actually look up the torque spec, but I seem to remember that they were 40 to 60 for the clamp, so I did 45 foot-pounds, and then after a couple runs you're supposed to check the torque again, and then the bolts back here, they're 18 foot-pound. And then just before I start, I'm going to go ahead and give it a good cleaning. Make sure there's no fingerprints on it. I don't want anything to be burnt on there, especially on the chrome. Alright, there they are. Just give you a quick look around here from the side. There's a top-down view. Alright, let's give it a start. You can't see my face right now, but I am grinning from ear to ear. They sound so much better than I thought. All I got to do is say, wow, what a difference they make. I mean, they give that bike so much more pep. It's unbelievable. Also, one other note that I feel like people are going to ask a lot about are, did you tune it? And the answer is yes. I do have a Fuel Pack FP3, and so this bike was already tuned. The current tune I'm using is the standard Harley factory exhaust, and then I auto-tuned that, and that's what I'm just running right at this point. And I didn't have any decel pop, and I think at this point that's probably a good tune. You hear them when you lay on the throttle. I mean, when I laid the throttle down, you could hear those pipes making some noise. But then when you let go and you were just kind of cruising, they really mellowed out. Now, I didn't get on the highway, but I feel like under cruising speeds, they're not going to be deafening. Anyhow, thanks for watching. If you guys have any comments, please put them down and below. Link to where I got the slip-ons from will also be down below. And thanks again. Till next time.